sprightly septuagenarian and Chennai entrepreneur Vijaya Kumar is a curious mix of old school charm and young Turk zeal. A pass out of the prestigious College of Engineering Guindy, Vijay was always a bright student, but by his own admission, lacked direction in his early years. At a time when nation building was truly the all-consuming idea, an exhortation by a college professor was just the encouragement this young rally driver needed to realize his direction in life.
A professor of mechanical engineering said that I wish that at least some of you from my class should start your own industry, because that is what is happening in our country today. We need engineers to improve this country. He was the inspiration to get this going as a small industry.
When a family friend bemoaned the lack of good suppliers of grease nipples in India, the seeds of a startup were immediately sown in Vijay Kumar's mind. So in 1960, just a year after his graduation, he started his own company, Accurate Products, dedicated to making these vital components of the auto industry. He had to source the entire technology from Japan at that time from a company called Marubeni Ida. And to understand the technology, Vijay had to travel all the way to Japan, an undoubtedly valuable training for this young engineer to comprehend the designs, tools and machinery of his new business.
Accurate Products placed orders for the machines. It was a simple set of machines, just two main machines, single spindle automatic lathes, one spring coiling machine, because the spring goes into the grease nipple, and there were 2 or 3 drilling and tapping machines. So altogether maybe 5 or 6 machines.
The excitement of starting one's own company in a free India overshadowed all the initial hiccups that the company went through. From facing major initial losses to grasping modern accounting standards, Accurate Products faced them all, and with the help of a few good men, came out successful. One such person was John Punnoose, a constant presence in the company's growth since the early 70s. Starting from a trainee position in 1971, today, almost 40 years later, John is an executive director in the company. With Vijay Kumar handling the financial and commercial side of the business, John Punnoose has been leading the charge on the manufacturing side.
We started the company with using single spindle automatic lathe and then manufacturing on a mass production style, mainly grease fittings. We started with that, and subsequently we changed into precision turn parts. And at that time in 1980, we went into multi-spindle automatic lathe because we find that demand was much more. Our relationship with our people have been quite good, and we were going on as a family. So as a result, there was an attachment with all the employees of the company together as a family.
This focus on employee satisfaction is reflected in the happiness of Accurate's oldest employee, Sarangan. He joined the company during its difficult formative years and has been a constant presence throughout. Right from manual labor to the introduction of automated machines, Sarangan has seen it all. But the company's evolution through the decades has never hampered the benefits it provides to employees like Sarangan. Benefits that are applicable from the lowest rung of the hierarchy to the highest.
நான் 64ல ஜாயின் பண்ணேன் கம்பெனியில். நான் எம்டியும் நானும் ரொம்ப க்ளோஸாக, அவரு தான் டிராயிங்கு எல்லாம் போட்டு எல்லாம் பண்ணுவார். சின்ன ஃபேக்ட்ரியாக இருந்தது. அப்போது எம்டி தான் இல்லை, வேறு இன்ஜினியரோ வேறு யாருமே அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் எல்லோரும். அப்புறமா தான் கம்பெனி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அதில் இருந்து வளர்ந்தது. அப்புறம் இன்ஜினியர் எடுத்தாங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் பண்ணாங்க, ஆப்ரேட்டர், அப்புறம் ஸ்பிண்டல் எல்லாம் வந்து மோல்டிங்கு எல்லாம் ஹேண்ட் ஒர்க்கு தான். எங்கள் கம்பெனி நான் வந்து பழக்கத்தில் நான் நடந்துக்கிற நல்ல இதில் என்னுடைய வேலை திறமையை போட்டு எம்டி நல்ல பண்ணி நான் 2 பேரும் இது பண்ணி நான் கோஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணி ஃபேக்ட்ரியை இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு தான் வந்தோம். வேறு ஒன்றும் எந்த ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லாமல்.
I would say that our main, what shall I say, thread of happiness is the friendship with our colleagues, many of them. In this company we have a number of colleagues who have done more than 25 years of service, because we give an award each time somebody crosses 25-year mark, and there are many employees who have retired, and they still come to help us whenever we want them. Some of them are still working with us. Some of them have started their own industry dedicated to us. Yeah. So that association, I think, is the biggest reward that God has given us.
It is this steadfast belief in the religion of work that has enabled Accurate Products to progress steadily on the path of success. So much so that the company is now the largest manufacturer of grease nipples in India and the 4th largest in the world. With 50% of its 21 crore rupee revenues coming from exports, it is no wonder that Accurate counts some of the giants of the auto industry as its clients, from TVS to Ashok Leyland. The company has a total employee strength of 320 currently and has come a long way from the 4 employees it had when it started up.
Over 50 years of existence may not be a very big result to show off, but anyway it is very satisfying. And starting with just 4 people and having today 320 colleagues is also a matter of great satisfaction for us.
Slow and steady wins the race, they say. For Accurate Products, this maxim couldn't fit better. And with plans now to expand to 60 countries worldwide amidst opening multiple manufacturing units, this is one company that is not resting on its laurels. From their humble origins during the era of a young free India, Accurate Products is all set to march ahead into the high noon of Indian entrepreneurial success.